Unlock the ultimate power of your Shopify store by seamlessly integrating it with Google Sheets for effortless data tracking and analysis. First things first, you'll need a Zapier account if you don't have one. Head over to Zapier.com and sign up once you're logged in. Click the Create Zap button to start building your automation. Our trigger app is Shopify type. Shopify into the search bar and select it for this tutorial. We'll focus on a common workflow tracking new orders, so choose the New Order Trigger event. Zapier will then prompt you to connect your Shopify account. Follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involves logging into your Shopify store and authorizing Zapier to access your data once connected. Click Continue. Now, let's set up our action app Google Sheets. Search for Google Sheets and select it for our goal of tracking sales. The ideal action is to create spreadsheet row. Just like with Shopify, you'll need to connect your Google account to Zapier. Grant the necessary permissions for Zapier to access and modify your Google Sheets after connecting. Click Continue. This is where the magic happens. Zapier will show you fields from your new Shopify order. You need to tell Zapier which pieces of information to put into which columns in your Google Sheet. For example, you might map the order number from Shopify to a order ID column in your sheet and customer email to an email column. Before you map, ensure your Google Sheet is set up with appropriate column headers. This makes mapping intuitive. You can select standard Shopify fields like item name, price, quantity, and of course, order total. It's crucial to test your automation. Click Test Trigger to pull in a recent Shopify order, then click Test Action to send that data to your Google Sheet. Check your sheet to confirm the data appears correctly in the mapped columns. Once you're satisfied that your test data is accurate, it's time to turn on your Zap. Click the Publish Zap button, and you're all set from now on. Every new Shopify order will automatically populate a new row in your Google Sheet, streamlining your business operations. Automate your Shopify sales, tracking today, and gain invaluable insights into your business performance.